Lecture 3. Asking for structure, lists, tables, and summaries. Sometimes how an answer is presented is just as important as the answer itself. You don't always want a long paragraph. You might need a list, a table, or a summary you can use right away. In this lecture, you will learn how to ask DeepSeek R1 for answers in a specific format, so you can copy, organize, or reuse the information easily. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to prompt R1 to give answers in structured formats, request bullet points, number lists, tables, or short summaries. Use formatting prompts to make your output clearer and more usable. Why format matters. Let's say you are planning a presentation. A giant block of text is not helpful, but a simple list of points is. That's exactly what you need. DeepSeek R1 can organize information into bullet points, numbered lists, step-by-step instructions, summaries, tables. All you have to do is ask. How to prompt for lists. Lists help break information down clearly and are suitable for slides, study notes, or reports. Prompt. You can give it a generic prompt as list 5 benefits of group study for university students in detail, for example. And you just press enter, and it will give you all the details and benefits of group study for university students in detail. Here you can see it is giving you all the details. So it has given you this data that you can use. But what if you want bullets instead? You can just say, give me the same list in bullet points. So press enter. So there is no more detail, but all the points are converted into bullet points. And you can use them in a presentation or to make notes as well. How to prompt for tables. If comparing two or more things, ask R1 to use a table. You can give it a prompt as, you can do a new chat, and you can just give it a prompt as create a comparison table of renewable versus non-renewable energy sources. And you can just press enter. Here you can see it is converting all the data into a table. And it has given you 3 columns and these numbers of rows. You can also specify the number of columns, such as you can give it a prompt as make a 3-column table comparing features, pros and cons of email, chat, and video calls, and press enter. And it will convert all the details into specific columns that you have given the instruction. and it is giving you a summary as well. So here you have all the results, as these are the points. It is for email, it is for chat, and this is for video call, and these are all the pros and cons for all of these: email, chat, and video calls, and best for as well. Prompting for summaries. Sometimes you just want a quick version of something long. Try this. You can give it a prompt as, in new chat, you can give it a prompt as summarize this paragraph in 2 sentences, and you can just paste that text and you can use this one. So it has given you these 2 sentences. The first one is in here and the second one as this one. Want it even shorter? You can give it a prompt as summarize the key points in 1 sentence and press enter. Here you have only 1 sentence of the entire paragraph that you have already given to DeepSeek. But you can give it a prompt as, if you want a one-liner summary, and you can just give it a prompt as give me a one-line summary I can use in a slide, and press enter. Here you can see all these entire paragraph, this one, the long and detailed one, has been converted into one line, so you can use it in a slide or anywhere you want. Extra tip: be direct about format. R1 doesn't read your mind, it follows your lead. Add simple phrases like in bullet points, in table format, step by step, keep it under 50 words, use short, clear sentences. The clearer your formatting request, the better the result.